Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. It's SYNOLVE. How are you guys doing? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm just excited, y'all. And join my GoFundMe page. I'm gonna leave links below so you can check out my GoFundMe page to help us get to the motherland, honey. If you'd like to give. If not, it's okay. We're gonna get there anyway. And I have if you'd like to be a part of my WhatsApp, then please send me an email at MyRepatJourney@gmail.com. Send me an email and I'll add you to the WhatsApp. We also have a MyRepatJourney on Facebook, and all my socials are SYNOLVE on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So yeah, join me for the journey. Look, y'all. I'm in the garage and we're cleaning out the garage. Y'all, I am so excited. It may not look like much to you, but we couldn't even walk this way. I'll give you a little tour, but we couldn't even walk this way. So let me show you everything that we've been doing to clean up and to get rid of all of the excess junk so that we can start the process of selling some things, packing some things, because I think we're going to take a few things when we go, but we're just preparing little, step by step, the tortoise and the hare. All right, and if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. But let's take a little tour and I'll show you what I've done so far. Well, what hubby's done so far, let's be truthful. Hang on. All right, guys, there's the big garbage truck that I wanted to show you. We are slowly but surely getting stuff together, throwing stuff away so that we can move to that's my neighbor, y'all. He's so nice. But there are some nice people in this world, but we're getting ready so we can move to the motherland, y'all. We are getting ready. This is our pile. This is what we're doing. Look, it may not mean a lot to you. Hubby did all this work. I can't take credit for anything. But it may not mean a lot to you that this is our motherland pile of stuff we're getting rid of, stuff we're getting, cleaning up and cleaning out. I'm telling y'all, I talk to y'all little, small, right? The tortoise and the hare, I talk about that. I talk about doing a little bit of your journey, just doing a little bit at a time till you get to where you need to be. And so I'm telling you the plan we're taking. Hubby did this all last night. I'm so proud of him. I love him. But we're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. Cleaning out. Okay, now just 3-4 bedrooms more to go. I'm so proud of this pile. I don't know what to do. And then the garage. See the garage? Look, we couldn't even walk in here the other day because it was just so much stuff in here. That's some of my daughters when she moved. And then people take blankets out of the car. I gotta wash those. But yeah, small. That's the hose for the garden. We brought it in. My wreath that goes on the front door I made this one during the at least the file arrangement. But anyway, I made this last year. Y'all probably saw that video. But yeah, small, little by little, we're getting it done. You can't even walk in here. You couldn't even walk, but now look at it, y'all. Look. Okay, it's coming together. Don't judge me now, y'all. I just want to show y'all the progress of what we're doing. Little, small steps, doing what we got to do to get to the continent, doing what we got to do to get to the motherland. I'm so proud of this pile. I don't know what to do. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. All right, guys. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I love you. I love you. All right, guys, I'm so excited. We are cleaning out the garage. We're doing so much. Well, hubby's doing so much. We're cleaning this stuff out, honey. That's a cabinet. I don't know if we're keeping that or not, but we found that on the side of the road. We got so much free stuff. That's my mom's clock when she passed away. I had a phone, but someone stole it. They're so mean here. But anyway, but there are some nice people as well. So yeah, we just got things that we've collected. My husband and I have been together 30 years, y'all. So we got stuff, and we have 2 adult children. So some of this, when they move back home from college, they move back home, some of this is theirs, especially those in those containers. So we've just got stuff to kind of clear out and move out and figure out. This is our repat journey. I promised you that I would show you the real journey. I promised that hubby's look, we've had it so long, he's got it taped up. But yeah, I think it was his dad's too. It's been around a long time. But we are in this process, y'all, of cleaning up, clearing out, moving stuff around, giving stuff away, of clearing things, doing all the things we need to do for this process. I'm trying to move this, y'all, out of here so I can sit down and talk to y'all. But because I came out and I was just so excited, so I didn't prepare. But anyway, Woo! I'm gonna get in trouble. But anyway, so we are moving. I hope you guys have a plan. I wanted to start in the garage first. That was my plan, was to start out here in my garage, because as we start here in the garage, we get packed up. Then whenever we have to move it, and you know, whether trucks are gonna come pick it up, or storage thing is gonna come, a pot, whatever is gonna come here, so that we can ship some things or put it in storage, whatever we decide as it gets closer, then this garage area will be our sorting area. So that's why it was so important to go ahead and clean out the garage and get it cleaned out first. So, you know, tell me your plans. What are you doing first? What are you cleaning up first? What areas are you working on first? So we've gotten started really great progress on the garage area. As you've seen, I don't have a before, and I think I might have been just too ashamed to show you the before. But if you're in America, you know how garage can get stacked up, and some of you all are like, y'all cleaned it? Yeah, we did. Sorry, y'all, if y'all are looking for something perfect. Over there is a storage room. Luckily, everything in that room is already it's already in containers, so luckily that's great. However, it doesn't mean that we're going to be taking everything, because for those of us who live in the U.S. and probably throughout the West, you have these storage areas, and in the winter and the summer, for example, your winter clothes are stored, unless you have a massive walk-in closet. You might also store, in there is our like seasonal stuff, Christmas tree, Christmas decorations, all of that, which we didn't even celebrate Christmas last year. We celebrated Kwanzaa. Yeah, we did. Black Day. That's what we celebrated, honey. And I love Christmas. I had always loved Christmas, but that's a whole nother story. We ain't fixed to go down. If you're not celebrating Christmas anymore, if you, after you awoke, you know, you just let go of some things, leave a comment below. I would love to hear. So that's what that room is. The water heater's in there, and most of it's seasonal stuff. So that's some of that stuff anyway will be sold. There are also some books that I had, that when we downsized to this house, it's a 3-bedroom house. We downsized from a 5-bedroom house with a bonus room. Yeah. And so it was a lot. And so I have had stuff boxed up in that room. Y'all are rocking in my rocking chair. Hubby painted this chair for me. We found it on the side of the road. But yeah, we boxed up a lot of stuff, and like books and some other things. Some stuff I have not even seen we've been in this house 3 years and I have not even seen it. So that's going to be some stuff definitely that's going in the either donate, giveaway, or sale pile. So, and then this is our outside stand where we tape. Sometimes we tape things for craft farms here, because we farm here, and we tape. So that's, or hubby does wood projects. I'll show you. So he paints, he makes wood projects. So this is his saw. So I don't know if we'll be able to take the saw. So somebody tell me. I know people have been talking about these electrical things because the plugs are different, and I did get some of those small little travel plugs. But yeah, so that's his saw. This is his table he built. Okay, he built this table. Yeah, so yeah, it's just stuff. He makes things like, I know I've shown some of this before in another video, but he makes like these planter, like the two on the end, that other planter, the dark one, the kind of reddish brown one. I think it was a drawer or something. But yeah, he makes furniture and stuff. Just, you know, he takes pallets and he makes furniture and stuff. I'm way off, y'all, because it was hot in the garage. But yeah, he makes those. So anyway, and he makes furniture and stuff. He made headboards, that kind of stuff, you know, fun stuff. So I don't know if we can take our saw. I don't know. They're always talking about taking equipment, but I don't know. I may have to ask the Bag family or someone else as we get closer if we can bring that or not. So we shall see. But yeah, I'm excited. As you can see, I'm excited about what we're doing, about our journey, about getting everything together. Tell me your plans. Please tell me, family, what are your plans? What are you doing so far to get things in order, to get things together, to start planning, to start packing, or getting rid of the excess? I think the excess is probably going to take us, you know, it could go much faster, but we have other things to do, fortunately, to work and make money and eat. So we're just doing it a little at a time. We're doing it at our pace. We're doing it on our time, and we're doing it on our journey. It may be, you know, snail's pace for some. It may be a rabbit's pace for some, or it may be, for some, you may look at this, because I think in a lot of ways this is rabbit's pace for us, but you know, it may be the tortoise pace. It may be, you know, a turtle pace for you as you look at our journey. But our journey is our journey, and your journey is your journey. And that's why I'm here to document it all, my Repat journey. That's why I'm here doing this series, my Repat journey, because my journey is not going to look like yours, and yours isn't going to look like mine, although we're going to have a whole lot of fun and a lot of similarities. All right, guys. It's coming together. It's coming together, because some of this stuff that's out here definitely is going to go to a yard sale. And this musical revolving cake, I'm thinking it's gonna go either with us, so I can use it and celebrate when we get there, or I might give it to my daughter. So I'm not really sure, because we do birthdays over here. We love celebrating birthdays. I'm gonna list it. All right, guys. I'm just excited. Tell me about your journey. Be sure and go check out all the videos this far, because that would help me out. Look, something that would really, really help me out. Y'all want to help me? Come pack. Come help. Come to Tennessee and come help me. Come help us clean and pack and get rid of stuff, because I know he's going to be telling me he wants everything thrown away and gotten rid of or given away or sold, because he's like, I don't want to take nothing, but he's going to let me take a few things. But if y'all want to help me, one thing you can really do is to share the videos like y'all are already doing, and I love y'all. To watch the videos like y'all are already doing, I love y'all. But watch the videos, and at least let the whole video play. I know some of y'all are watching like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and that's awesome. But if you could just let the video play, go wash dishes, go take a shower, and just let the video play while you're in the shower. I just did that for a friend a minute ago. I had to get ready to take a shower. We have to go somewhere, and I let the video play while I was in the shower just to give them the watch time. So yes, please do that. If you're in any groups, WhatsApp groups, or if you're in any groups whatsoever on Facebook, share the video. That would really help. Or share it on your profile page. That would really help me out a whole lot. But watch time, I have to have watch time so we can be monetized, because this is part of my income. When we're in the motherland, this is going to be YouTube. It's going to be part of my social media content creation. That's going to be a big part of my income. So thank you for helping me on this journey. Thank you for helping me reach my goals. All right, guys, I got to get off of here because I gotta go. Commenting, yes, commenting. Please leave a comment, something positive. Yes, like y'all do already. And asking questions and giving me tips and giving me hints. I love y'all so much. Thank you. All right. I'm excited. Okay, so as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me on my GoFundMe page. I'll leave the link below. Give if you'd like to. It really would help us a lot. And be sure to like us on SYNOLVE, or my socials all over Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we have a group, MyRepatJourney, and we also have a new WhatsApp group. So if you email me, MyRepatJourney@gmail.com, which I'll leave all the links below, I can add you to the new WhatsApp group, so we can stay connected. All right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta run. I hate to leave you guys because you know I love you. I got my little rocking horse at the door. Y'all know that. My day ones, you already know that story. You know what it means. But I got my little rocking horse at the door because I don't want y'all to go. But I have to, because I gotta get to the motherland. And if I don't pack and get this stuff all together, it'll be another while before I get there, and we got to get there soon, y'all, and we're gonna get there together. All right, we're gonna get to the motherland together. My journey is your journey is my journey. Our Repat journey, my Repat journey. All right, we're doing this together, and we're gonna get to the motherland real soon. All right, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show me some love. Share, and watch out. All right, as always, you are amazing. You are beautiful. You are loved. You are glorious. You are infinite. You are wise. You are prosperous. You are wealthy. You have everything you need to accomplish everything you want to accomplish. It's all deep inside of you. And together, we're allowing that to rise. You are amazing. You are amazing. You know why? Baby, honey, sweetie, because you just are. All right, I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.